On our topic today, Tolulope Arotile, Nigerian Air Force first female combat helicopter pilot don die. On this topic, we will show you how she take die, what really killed her, and also some hidden facts you don't know about this first female combat helicopter pilot. Wow. Please, if you're new to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button you are seeing on your screen, and don't forget to press the bell icon button beside the subscribe button. It is free. We are number one on gist, rant, gossip, biography, and celebrity lifestyle you don't know about. Please subscribe and enjoy the roller coaster with us. Back to the matter on full details on today's topic. The first ever female combat helicopter pilot for the Nigerian Air Force, Tolulope Arotile, don die. The Nigerian Air Force were announcing for their Twitter handle say the young flying officer died from head injury where she get from the road accident wey happen for Nav Base, Kaduna. Flying officer Tolulope Arotile died on 14th July 2020. May her soul rest in peace, according to the Nigerian Air Force wey announced her death. Then commissioned officer Arotile into the Nigerian Air Force for September 2017 as a member of the Nigerian Defense Academy Regular Course 64, and she be the first ever combat helicopter for the service. Wow. During her short stay for the service, the Nigerian Air Force say let Arotile contribute well to destroy armed bandits where they the North Central states and other criminal elements by flying several combat missions under Operation Gamma Aiki in Minna, Niger State in Nigeria. The pictures where you see now the tweets where they post them for their Twitter handle.
The Nigerian Air Force presents to you the first Nigerian Air Force female helicopter pilot.
I'm flying Ofsatsi Arotile. I was admitted into the Nigerian Defense Academy on the 22nd of September 2012 and was commissioned into the Nigerian Air Force on the 16th of September 2017. I joined the military simply out of passion for it. Being a military personnel has been a long-term ambition. The courage and what they stand for is simply exceptional.
My success has brought me to this point, and I'm very grateful to the Nigerian Air Force leadership for the opportunity to have this and to have this title. I'm very grateful, and I'm looking forward to giving my best to the service.
As we go on, the Chief of Air Staff Air Marshal Sadiq Abubakar, on behalf of officers, airmen, airwomen, and civil staff of the NAF, commiserates with the family of late flying officer Arotile on top of this big loss. Even us from Loss Entertainment too. Now we will tell you some hidden facts you don't know about this Tolulope Arotile, the first female combat pilot, in Nigeria. The late flying officer and a native of Ife area in Ijumu local government area of Kogi State, that's Lokojawe. For October 2019, the Nigerian Air Force decorated Tolulope Arotile as the first ever female helicopter pilot where the service go get in 55 years. The Chief of Air Staff Sadiq Abubakar say he decorate her, say she just complete pilot training course for South Africa and she performed excellently during the training. Less than 1 year, Naim they award her as the first female service pilot before she died. Meanwhile, plenty Nigerians don't enter social media to express their condolence, and some say make them touchlight how she take die as them not believe the road accident Nigerian Air Force claim she died from. Popular television host Ebuka Obi Uchendu, who they host Big Brother and also who they use clothes to destroy some fans, tweet say the story dey heartbreaking. Make we read in own chat. Literally just scroll through the news of Tolulope Arotile, Fahim Saleh and Jeru Shepherd's death simultaneously on my timeline is too much. He drew a heartbreak. Also, Nigerian Air Force retweet say NAF loses flying officer Tolulope Arotile in road traffic accident in Kaduna. It is with great sorrow that the Nigerian Air Force regretfully announced the unfortunate demise of flying officer Tolulope Arotile, who died on 14th July 2020. Now, people now they tweet, now they ask, they show concern, say This her death they never believe say na just road accident kill am. Person like 6+ CCA tweet say, was her car tampered with? What type of speed will she be on in the base? The same Air Force base? An investigation needs to be carried out. We don't lose good hands just like that. It's a very nice question indeed. Wow. He also retweet again say, with all the slow bumps in Kaduna Air Force base and the wide road, you tell us car accident. Who have we wronged as a people? Do we value professionals like this at all? Did someone want her out? We lost General Ochai. Now this promising star is gone. God. So NAF, Nigerian Air Force, also retweet again saying, it is a very sad thing. Uncle Nas tweet say, this is very sad. Despite all the risk with flying, it was a road accident within the base that took her life. First ever female combat helicopter pilot in Nigeria. Someone went to train on how to fly in the air with helicopter. Now died not with the skills she learned, but what she just had to do on her normal daily routine of driving car. Yes, it's a very huge question to everybody to know what really killed her, because we believe that the Nigerian Secret Service and some investigative officers are running this matter very on a low key, because we need to really find out what actually killed this promising youngster in Nigeria. But let the truth be told, her information about being the first ever female pilot in Nigeria is just being known now that she's dead. I wonder why Nigerians don't celebrate people when they are alive. I wonder why they are telling us now. I wonder why they are making her popular, because for me and some of the fans on Lost Entertainment, I believe so, don't know much about this lady. Just now that she's dead, we are knowing more about her. Please, let us celebrate our young promising stars while they are alive. It will make others to believe that they can achieve great things while they are still alive, not when they are dead. This promising young star is dead. We commiserate with her family and other people, loved ones and other Nigerians. Please take heart, more are coming on our way. After this video, we will still see some slide pictures and videos of her as we end it for now. Thank you and God bless.